It's been fun so far. I've been, in fact, I feel like I'm not presenting today. I'm just chilling, having fun with Cecil and all the guests we've been having. But that was Fight Sing, and if you haven't seen it, if you want to see it again, you can go to YouTube and see the movie again and watch out for the sequel.
All right, next we'll move on to our next guest. But just before the guest comes on, he's a mathematician. He did something. He's on YouTube. I wouldn't want to talk so much about it yet. I'll just let us see numbers and patterns. This one is from a young human calculator, Nigerian human calculator, Promise Akbere.
Have you ever wondered why there's a book in the Bible called Numbers? Have you ever taken your time to observe the patterns of Fibonacci all through nature? The pattern formed on the human ear. The pattern formed on the human face. Have you observed Leonardo da Vinci's painting, Mona Lisa? Or ever wondered why the movie Matrix talks so much about numbers? Have you ever pondered why the first Greek philosopher, Pythagoras, said, "Numbers rule the universe"? The world's best thinker, Plato, said, "Number symbolism is the highest level of knowledge." What about famous movie producer Tim Kring? What pushed him to produce the movie Touch? Which explains how the world is all connected with numbers. Why do you think Einstein said, "I want to express all of God's thoughts and ideas about the universe in one equation"? The universe is numbers and has always been numbers. Irrespective of our opinion, it will always be. Have you ever seen this diagram of mine? Look closely. Does it make sense? What do you see? Lines of symmetry. But is that all? It will now make sense, as all the numerals from 0 to 9 will be found in one single diagram. Is it a coincidence that all these patterns are in one diagram, from 0 to 9? What if what we've been lacking the whole time is order? What if the answer to our questions about life and existence has always been before us, but we haven't looked hard enough? Things don't make sense until they are properly organized. At your first glance at this figure, nothing was clear. But is that all you can see? What about the alphabet? From A to Z, the patterns of nature, the patterns in life, mathematical in design, are all hidden in plain sight. What if what we've lacked the whole time is the knowledge of where to look, when to look, and how to look?
Wow. When Cecil was in class, they used to flog her a lot in school because of she wasn't very good with mathematics.
Reward. Ask any of my classmates in school. I was just talking with them.
12 times 12.
Huh?
12 times
please,
12.
144 now, of course. Please, come on.
She said it's to calculate. Oh, please.
No, that's not true. No, I passed maths, so seriously, why can't you see?
I was horrible in maths, man. No, I didn't think I passed maths.
I don't know if the other sciences, biology, even, I don't know, but maths.
I was good in chemistry, but maths, we never connected above, levels. Anyway, our guest is here with us in the studio, the human calculator, and we're going to put that fact to the test. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the the one, the only...
Promise Akpere, the Nigerian human calculator. Now, we're going to do this. Ruwa, let me have your phone. Yep, the calculator.
Okay.
So we're going to put into the test. He can answer very sharp, quick, fast questions. So, because I know I don't know it, I will just use the calculator. Yes.
To find out if he's correct or not?
Yeah, to find out if he's correct or not. So,
okay, ask him a question.
All right, so let's see. 59 times 14?
That's 826.
826, good. All right, let's say 98 times 12?
That would be 1176.
Good. Okay, now there is this one, what's it?
Division.
Division.
Yeah,
division.
divide with 1 digit.
Okay, okay. Division, let's say 97 divided by 5.
That's 19.4.
Okay, good. Let's say, what should I do?
Funky numbers. 47 times 64. Divide? Okay.
Yeah, let's do division.
47 divided by 97.
We're dividing with 1 digit.
Okay,
Oh,
you know, yeah, it's 0 point something. So, 85 divided by 9.
That's not 0.444444.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, right now there is this one. There is square roots and the others. I don't know how to.
Yeah, squares.
Squares. Okay. I don't know. Maybe you guys can go on, get his number, ask him.
No. What I'm really thinking about is how I can take this guy and start making money right now. I'm just
Okay. Yeah, it's so Nigerian, you know. All these Yoruba people.
It's not my fault. We're wired for productivity and profit.
Promise.
All right, promise.
By the way, that video, you designed it yourself, the diagram?
Yeah, I did.
Or you saw it somewhere and you tried to develop on it, or is your diagram?
No, it's my diagram. I developed it in 2012.
You developed it in 2012?
Yeah, I drew diagram.
Wait, are you normal? Are you like okay kind of person, like normal person?
Yeah, I'm normal, just that
I think one of the questions I asked him, with all this mathematics, do you have a girlfriend at all?
Hey! Oh, please.
God, yeah. Priceless.
Well, not for now.
Not for now. Maybe right after this show.
Interesting. All right. Why should I care about mathematics? All these hard adding things. I just really know it to pass my exams and I'm done. Why should I care about mathematics?
You see, the math to study in school is not effectively motivated. When we ask, why do you study mathematics? Our teachers tell us it's because we need it in an upcoming class. You see, but maths is something that affects real life. You see, the bridge you climb, it's made in such a way that the angles of the poles, they are constructed in such a way that you will not fall when climbing. You understand? Math affects real life. Like you see the Fibonacci pattern, the one you saw in the video. Fibonacci is a 12th century mathematician that discovered the patterns found in nature over and over again. Like the curve of a wave, see that curve? The spiral of a shell, segments of pineapple. His numbers, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on and so forth. So you add 1 plus 1 gives you 2, 1 plus 2 gives you 3, and so on. This is sequence. He developed it when he was trying to understand the birth rate of rabbits. Yeah, so when he saw this fascinating design sequence, he was so surprised. He saw it in plants, animals, even in the human body, even the bronchi of the lungs, it's there. You understand? But these things, they don't tell us in school. They only tell us, study math. And when you study math and you're good in it, they'll say, yeah, this guy is a guru.
Promise, you're going too far. Tell me, what do you do? Are you graduating? Are you working somewhere? Are you?
I'm still schooling.
You're still schooling?
Yeah.
You might be in final year, I guess.
Yeah.
Final year?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, studying what?
Computer engineering.
Oh, that's the only thing that's the thing you should study. That's true. Now tell us.
Sherry, leave this bit. How can all this plenty mass you're taking arrange me peta, starch, and manga on my plate? I don't understand this English you're talking about.
Okay. It's, like I said, it's something that affects life.
Okay.
Let's say you understand how numbers work. Like the reason why I became a human calculator is because in 2011, I had a kind of realization. I realized that numbers affect our world, and sines, cosines, logarithms, though we just solve them in school, use them to work and we leave them, they have effect in real life. So I saw that for me to be able to understand the universe and be able to do these calculations, see the pieces, where pieces fit together, those things hidden in plain sight, I needed a calculating mind. So I said, why not be a human calculator instead? Instead of me moving with a calculator, why not be the calculator itself?
Okay, so mathematics.
So how did you develop that? Sorry, how did you develop your mind to be a calculator?
Well, I started with the multiplication table. Yeah.
How?
2 times 2, 3 times 2.
Okay, you mastered them all?
Yeah. So in 2011 I started training myself, giving myself 1 digit to 2 digits multiplication. Yeah, but then it took me time and pains, understand? But now it's no longer like that because my mind works that way now.
How long did it take you to develop your mind?
Yeah, okay. The week I started it, I was the normal regular guy people know. But the following week I had changed. Things changed.
How?
But not as fast as this, but then things changed. People noticed the changes. Like in the classroom, maybe if my teacher is teaching and he asks this times this from the back, I just voice the answer. So things like that.
Okay, that's quite interesting. So you're saying essentially that mathematics has practical application in industry, in design, in science, in medicine, in agriculture.
Yeah, everywhere.
And it can help us understand these things so that we can predict what's going to happen and better prepare for our world and progress.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Well, okay, now tell us, you've told us where you're coming from. Tell us, what do you hope to achieve with all this? I heard of, by the way, one girl in the UK, a 10-year-old girl, who is very good at mathematics, and Oxford. She's Benin, not Delta. Sorry, she's Benin. She's Benin. Hello. So I hear she's studying. 10 years old. She's studying mathematics in Oxford University. It's really amazing. So tell us, what do you hope to do from here?
Well, I hope to make my discoveries known to the world. There's a discovery I have. A number of scientists believe controls, connects all of life and the universe together. Understand? I have discovered that number, and in the future, I want to make that discovery known, because I believe with that discovery, we can be able to evolve our species, the human species, numerically. With the right numerical configuration. You know,
this seems like straight out of a sci-fi movie. The action movie directors are here. I'm sure they're probably thinking of something where a mathematics genius is being kidnapped by one of the assassins and the other one is sent to rescue him. Anyway, it's been fun. Promise Akpara having you on the show. Well, we wish you a lot of good luck, more mathematics. And
when you discover something else, please do well to come. I think we can check you on Facebook. Are you on Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook. My username is Akpara Promise.
Akpara Promise.
Yeah, my channel is on YouTube.
Your channel is on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right, we'll check you out, and I hope many viewers will check you up and maybe try to contact you from there.